Looking to generate passive cash flow? Earn up to 15% monthly with as little as $1,000. Rest assured, your funds are secure while our trading experts handle everything. Curious how? Introducing CoTrade, specializing exclusively in gold trading through PAMM. With over 3 years of trading experience, our seasoned traders are ready to maximize your profits, offering up to a 15% return on your investment each month. Our PAMM account lets investors allocate funds to gold trading managed by expert traders. By pooling capital from various clients into one managed account, you can access the potential returns of gold trading without needing to trade yourself. For instance, suppose a manager invests $40,000 and an investor adds $10,000, bringing the total in the PAMM account to $50,000. If the strategy yields a $10,000 profit, representing a 20% increase, each investor will also see a 20% increment in their investments. In this example, you would gain $2,000 from your investment. Importantly, there is a 30% performance fee on the investor's profit of $2,000, totaling $600, which is transferred to the manager. Ultimately, this trading period results in a profit of $1,400 for the investor. Join CoTrade today and transform your financial landscape. Learn more at www.cotrade.finance.